So let me show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So let's say you want to sell your phone or to give it away. The easiest way to wipe all the data clean from this phone is to perform a factory reset. So just go into settings. Under settings, scroll down to general management. Tap on that. And then under general management, scroll down to reset. Tap on that. Now it's going to tell you what different options of resetting. You could reset all settings. You could reset mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, all that. But since we want a factory data reset, select that option at the bottom. And now it's going to check a few things and tell you everything that's going to be uninstalled. So you can scroll all the way down. Now, at this point, it's going to ask you if you want your eSIMs to be erased. Okay. Now, if you want that, then you can always tap on that. So basically, when you check that, it means everything, including the eSIMs on the phone, are going to be erased. Now, if you want to retain the eSIM, then you can leave that unchecked and then tap on reset. Factory data reset, let's go ahead and delete all. And then before you tap on the delete all button, you may be asked for a password, either a Samsung account password or your phone's password. So once you provide the correct one, then you can tap on that delete all button and your phone will factory reset. Now, after the factory reset, it's going to take you to the original setup screen from where you need to start setting up your phone afresh. That's how you know the factory reset was successful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.